Look at these shoes. Look at them. This guy's so Sigma, right? Look at his big nose. These are the best shoes. You want to see the pack? You want to see the pack? Okay, I'll see the pack. Guys, look at the pack. So, Sigma pack for SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants.